Buddhist Fuji Medical Foundation CEO Dr. Lin Chin Long. Fuji leaders, donors, members, Congressman Arthur Yap, business group, especially headed by a long-term partner with regard to our Filipino-Chinese community and businessmen in downtown. We're happy and proud to host the Federation in the city of Manila, headed by Victor Lim. And Manila, especially during the time of our forefathers, our grandparents, they call it Manila is the window of opportunity. I would like to inform each and every one of you, one of the biggest conglomerates started in Manila. And that's what you call SM. I'd like to greet our good friend and thanks him and his siblings, family, his father, a great trust starting in Manila. Multi-billion peso, almost $1 trillion business, but started in, I would like to gusto kong bigyan ng diin yun because it's our sense of pride being Manileño. Mr. Hansi, SM Prime Holdings. Cecilio Pedro, binata pa ako, marami pa akong buhok, kilala ko na to. I've met him when I was 18 years old, can you imagine? Now I'm 21, so it's been 3 years, pare. Cecilio is a very good friend of my mentor, Kuya Jervis. So when I was in showbiz, whether you believe it or not, I used to be an actor, started in this television show, headed by a good friend of Cecilio. Ito pang isang matagumpay, si Ambassador Alfredo Yao. Sir, Architect Jun Palafox. Jun, siya lang nakabarong dito. Ayun, Jun. Ambassador Francis Chua, who is part of our school. Henry Yunes. Kanina, yung ating Henry. CEO, Chuchi Foundation and Deputy CEO. And all special guests. Pag ito yung binasa ko, baka mag-abono pa ako, abutin tayo ng alas 12, ako pa magbakunan sa pananalian. But, let me share you what I really feel. More than anything else. Today, I am grateful. I am grateful. I don't know if I heard it correct. That it's a long dream of Chuchi Foundation to build a hospital. Am I right? Yes. And I'm happy. You're doing it in the capital of the country, Philippines, here in Manila. So we're happy and honored, excited for you to fulfill your dreams and us benefiting from your aspirations and dreams. Doing it here. You know, I have a beautiful and masipag Vice Mayor, ayan. Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. I have to make special mention of the Vice Mayor because when Architect Jun Palafox a while ago said, Mr. Mayor, we need a lot of permit to submit. Yeah, I know. You have to pass this to what you call compliance and all other things. And I said, pre-approved, narinig ni Vice Mayor.